Go. Holy shit. I know, a piece of shit over there. Everywhere. Oh my god. It's gone. Oh my god. Look, it blew the plastic right through the fucking...
I seen blue pieces landing in the woods.
Look at the boat.
Nice! Shrapnel through the boat.
Oh my god. That through the boat.